Hi Russell. Today I am working on my motorcycle again. Today I want to put the front wheel back on, and I want to put the front forks back on. The front forks and the front wheel. Look at the motorcycle. You can see now the front wheel is gone. I took the front wheel off. There it is over there. And this is one of the front forks here. The front fork connects the handlebars down here to the wheel and the brakes. So today I will put it all back together. Slid the fork right up inside this tube, and you can see here is the top of the fork right there. And now I will tighten this clamp so this stays right where it is, nice and tight. I bring the tube over here. Look, and I have to put it up inside that tube. It's going up inside that tube. There it is. See it, Russell? There's the top of the fork right there. And then I will tighten this bolt here. Pinch it tight so it stays right there. I use my Allen wrench. This is called an Allen wrench. Allen wrench. Put it in and turn it. Righty tighty. Turn it. Turn it more until it gets nice and snug. And then make it really tight. And pinch that. Pinch that fork in place there, and then I will tighten that nut. Can you see now, Russell, how the forks are attached to the handlebars? The forks go right up to the handlebars, and when I turn the handlebars, the forks turn, don't they? Turn, turn. And this is where I put the wheel. This is how we will hold the wheel attached to the fork. There's the fork, all the way down here. We put that piece on, and then we tighten 1, 2, 3. Russell, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 nuts on the bottom of that fork attaching to the wheel. And over on this side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 nuts clamping, squeezing the forks onto the axle. This is called the axle. That runs right through from one side, look, over here to this side where there is a nut. This is the axle, and that's what the wheel spins on. The wheel will spin on the axle. Now I'm going to tighten those nuts nice and tight. If you were here, you could help me do this part, couldn't you, Russell? You know how to use a socket wrench now, because you helped me do the bed with the clickety-clickety socket wrench. Click, click. Nice and snug, not too tight the first time. Then I will make them all nice and tight, and I will be done attaching the wheel to the forks and the handlebars of the Honda Goldwing. So now, Russell, the front wheel is back on. The front brakes are connected. The front forks are connected to the handlebars, and this part of the job is all done. When we turn the handlebars, what happens? The wheel turns. Turn the handlebars, and the forks turn the wheel.